Hello and welcome to Design Guy. Want to create that cool zoom through text effect? I'll show you how step by step. Click Create, then select Videos. Choose a landscape video format for this tutorial to ensure the best viewing experience on all devices. Next, add a text box and then a heading. Type Travel into the search bar to find relevant results quickly. Next, change the font style of this text to Anton using the font drop-down menu. First, enlarge the text by increasing the font size. Then, adjust the alignment settings to center the text horizontally within the text box for a balanced and prominent display on your slide. First, add the halo effect. Next, insert a rectangular shape and place it on top. Expand the rectangle to the desired size. Then, duplicate this shape to create a consistent design element. Use the duplicate for layering or emphasis. This process enhances visual appeal and maintains balance in your composition. Press Ctrl+D to duplicate the object, then place the copy at the bottom. Now, add your text in the desired area. This creates a clear, visually balanced layout for your design project. Click Share, then Download. Select PNG, increase the size to maximum for better quality, and choose Transparent Background. This ensures your image has a clear, high-quality background when saved. Click Download now to save your work. Next, delete the existing elements on the page. Add a blank page to your project. Drag and drop a video onto the new page. Then, insert the travel image by dragging it in as well. Arrange the video and image as needed to create your desired layout. This prepares your project for further customization or final touches. Drag the image into your design, right-click to detach it from the background, then reposition the element where you want it to appear. The clip will be added to the video timeline. Next, enlarge the clip to fill the entire screen. Now, click the play button to preview the video and ensure the clip displays correctly in full screen mode. Adjust if needed for perfect viewing before proceeding. To split the video, select the clip at the point where you want to cut, then press the S key on your keyboard. This action will divide the video into two separate clips, allowing you to edit each section independently. First, split the clip and the text at the desired points. Next, add the match and move effect in the middle section. Increase the duration of this effect for a smoother transition. Finally, zoom out and enlarge the text within the clip to emphasize it, adjusting the size until it fits perfectly as shown. This enhances visual impact and clarity. Select the edge of the text box to resize it and make it larger. Click and drag the corner to adjust the size as needed. Once you're satisfied, click the preview button to see how your changes look in action. This allows you to review the text appearance and placement before finalizing your project. Adjust if necessary, then proceed with your next steps. To create a duplicate, press Ctrl+T. This duplicates your selection instantly. You can repeat this step to make as many copies as needed. This method speeds up your workflow by quickly generating identical elements without manually recreating each one from scratch. Use Ctrl+T for efficient duplication. Duplicate the transition and apply the same effect. Match and adjust its position as needed. Increase the duration here to smooth the animation. Next, move the text to position A. Preview the animation to see the changes in action. Once satisfied with the results, click the Share button. Finally, select Download to save your project. This process ensures your animation flows seamlessly and your text placement is precise. Use these steps to create consistent, polished video transitions quickly and effectively. Save the image as a PNG file. You can also enable the auto option for this video if you prefer automatic settings. Now you know how to create a cinematic zoom through text intro in Canva. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips.